Multiplying decimals with number chips. This is the Easter version, and students are going to learn how to multiply decimals using number chips. So the lesson starts with explaining to the students how to shift the decimal points all the way to the right before they multiply, and then they shift them back to the left in their answer. So the next two slides show the students how this works. So here they only have one decimal point, so they're going to move one place to the right, multiply with the whole numbers, and then move that decimal point back one place to the left in their answer. The next slide shows when they're going to move the decimal point twice. So once to the right in the top row, once to the right in the second row. And that means in their answer, they're going to move it back 2 places to the left. So students are going to start on slide 5. So they have these number chips that are movable, and they're going to move them in place to show their multiplication. So it starts with some simpler problems and it gets more difficult as they go. They've also got a movable decimal point to place in their answer. So the first thing they're asked to do is to type how many places they're moving the decimal point to the right in this top row. So they're moving 2 places to the right, they're going to type a 2. In the second row, they're moving 1 place to the right, and then the total places moved is 3. So they're going to use this for a reference when they have to place that decimal point in their answer. So here, if they multiply 8 times 3, they're going to get 24. So they click and hold on the edge of the 4, and then they can move it into place. They're going to carry a 2, so this would be 27 plus 2. 29, so they're going to move the 9 into place. Carry a 2, 21 plus 2 is 23. Now the last thing they have to do is place that decimal point. So they moved a total of 3 places to the right. So they're going to move 3 places to the left in their answer. 1, 2, 3. So students are going to do this on several different slides. So they're going to get a lot of practice, and each one of these gets more difficult as they go. And you can see that on each slide there's a yellow heart with a letter in it. So that's going to help them solve an Easter riddle on the very last slide. They're going to match this letter to their answer. So they get a few more problems to practice. And then when they get down to that last slide, they have that Easter riddle. These are all of the answers that they should have gotten on the previous slides. So all they have to do is scroll back through the slides that they completed, find these answers, and then type the letter that's in the yellow heart. And it should solve the riddle, why should you never show Easter eggs a scary movie? So that is the Easter version of multiplying decimals with number chips.